So, you own a vessel, or even a whole fleet. Awesome! At least above the water's surface, because a look underwater quickly shows how fouled the average vessel is. Have you ever considered how much this at first sight non-existent marine growth slows down your ships? Do you realize how much fuel is lost due to poor hydrodynamics? Do you have any idea how much money you unnecessarily overspend? A clean ship can be felt in your wallet immediately, but also in nature. The impact of foul vessels on the environment is nothing short of terrible. What if you could do your company and nature a favor? Cleaning your ship underwater saves up to 30% of propulsion fuel consumption. Less fuel means less pollution, and that's what we at SRN Group stand for. No need for unsafe diving operations to conduct this necessary work. In-house, we've developed our own cleaning remote-operated vehicle to clean ships. This solid vehicle is a four-wheel driven machine using a vortex method for precise and a profound underwater hull cleaning. So, no divers needed. We perform from above water, from a ship's deck or a workboat, efficiently achieving an even better result, cleaning up to 800 square meters an hour. How much will it cost you? That's not the appropriate question. How much can it save you? It's an easy calculation. Imagine, the design speed of a vessel is 16 knots an hour. Fuel consumption is 40 tons of fuel each day. In money, this means 40 times $650 per metric ton of fuel. This equals $26,000 US. After hull cleaning, you can save up to 30% of this amount, $7,800 per day. So, if you have a money-saving and sustainable mindset, we can help you to clean your vessels, clean your ship, save money and our planet. SRN Group. We know, we care, we perform.